Hello Forex traders, and this is the next video in the series, and this one we are discussing the trend. What exactly is the trend? So the trend is defined off the 3-hour chart, okay, and I'm just going to get rid of the candlesticks for now because that's not really important at this stage. So the moving averages defines my trend. So long as price is below the moving averages, I'm in a downtrend, and the moving averages obviously need to be in 21, 13, 8, and they need to be pointing down in that fashion. Okay, that is a downtrend. An uptrend, I get a crossover of the moving averages, and now I have a reverse. So I first have the 8 above the 13, which is above the 21, and that is an uptrend. Okay, I'm looking to, in a downtrend, I'm looking to sell as close to the moving averages as possible. So if I bring back my bars, so 3-hour defines the trend, okay, and what we want to do here is I want to be as close as possible to the moving averages. I'm obviously just pointing out some price action here, but we will discuss price action in another video, and my entry is off the 30 minutes. Okay, so there you can see my entry, nice big exhaustion bar onto a level, followed by an inside bar. That's price action, we'll discuss that later, and that was my entry. Here I have another setup. Okay, there's got quite a few setups in here. We'll run price action, which is indicating this thing's going down, and down it went. Okay, so you are going to get situations where the moving averages cross over on the 30 minutes, but that is not your worry. So you're taking the trend off the 3-hour. I'm only looking to trade with the 3-hour trend. In other words, I'm only looking to sell in a downtrend, and I'm only looking to buy in an uptrend. And if we just quickly, there's one there, and there's another one there, and we come to the 30 minutes. You can see how noisy this is and how difficult it becomes to trade on the lower time frames. So here you can see again off a level, okay, and again off a level here. There are a few levels here, and if you don't understand the levels, I suggest you watch my levels video. You can see that right off an inside fractional level here, and that's exactly where the buyer stepped in, and so it trends. Okay, so the strategy does work on all time frames, but I just find the 3-hour to be less noisy and pretty much gives us the entry. So if we look at what live price action is happening at the moment on the 3-hour, trend is still up to the upside. There is, however, a gap here. That is a magnet, so you're looking for price to come down to there. We've kind of broken through that level at the moment. That is now an inside bar or an inside fractional level. And I also have another level down here, which is a Brooks gap. But the trend is still to the upside. So I need to wait for this bar to finish. So this is the other crucial thing about this. These are 3-hour bars. So the trend is still up until we get a reversal, and we'll discuss reversals in a different video, and I need to wait for the bars to finish. If I come to the 30 minutes, you can see we have the bars are moving to the downside. This is a bit of a downtrend, but you will get some levels to the left where you're going to get an entry to continue this upward trend. Okay, so quick summary again, we are looking for selling in a downtrend. The trend is only off the 3-hour, your entries are off the half-hour. Okay, we will discuss price action in another video, and we'll discuss how to spot these turning points. You see there's a trend reversal, and here is another trend reversal here. Okay, so that will be for a separate video. Anyway, short and sweet, hope that helps, and any questions, be sure to ask them. Cheers for now.